Greetings, travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Nice, France. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are our regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section below and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice for top place to visit in Nice, France will be the Cours Saleya market. Clean, open-air marketplace that sells Nice local goods such as flowers, food, produced from the local farms. You love the smell of the beautiful flowers, the food, the olives, and crafts for things to buy for gifts. Our top number two choice or place to go to while in Nice, Musée Matisse, is a museum that housed the work of French painter Henri Matisse. The museum housed the largest Matisse collection in the world. Located in the Villa des Arènes, a 17th century villa. Our number three top choice or place to go to while in Nice will be Loup, a river in the Alps. The river takes its source in Andon. It has length of 49 kilometers. The stream first turns east, then turns south, and form the gorge, a series of gorge. Our number four top pick or place to go to while in Nice, France will be train touristic de Nice, a 45-minute train ride around Nice with audio explaining the location and history of each place. This is a great way to cool off and relax on a hot day. The ticket for the train can be bought right before the train leaves. Therefore, there is no waiting line. Our number five choice of place to go to while in Nice will be Castle Cremant, overlooking the Bay of Nice. The chateau is one of the oldest vineyards in France. The vineyard covers 10 hectares, spreading over the hill of Cremant. Due to its geographical location, it enjoys a climate which allows the grapes to ripen slowly. You will have a great wine tasting experience. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram scenic.geek. Until next time, bye!